welcome back to Mama Plays Games, and today we are going to do Play-Doh surprise eggs. So let's get started. So first, and before we get started and everything, I have two little helpers today. One is Twilight, and the second one is Minnie Mouse. So that is our helpers that are going to help us get them out today. So I guess let's start opening. So we have tiny ones today and we have big fresh ones. So before, so get my rest of them. So the first one that we are going to open today is our tiny whiny one. So it looks like we have a brown little bunny rabbit as our first toy. And it looks like it's a Lego one. On the bottom of his feet. So let's put this to the side. See him right here. There we go. Now the second one we're going to do is this green one. It looks like this one has at the bottom. Let's open this. It looks like it's Snow White. Okay. So it looks like we have Snow White, and I guess she was swimming in the Play-Doh. So I'm going to go ahead and get Snow White dressed. So I got her dressed. So these are not one of the snap dresses. These are just one of the rubber dresses that I'm going to put on her. You're going outside too? I'm going to go get some out for Grandma. The costume, what is that noise? Ugh, this is very hard to get on. Well, we'll get her on later. So she's going to stick around right here. So she's going to be sitting on the Play-Doh. Okay, so now let's get, she did not. Okay. There we go. Now we are going to do our next one, which is this green one and brown and bluish one. Play-Doh. She's blue boots so far. And it looks like she is actually, I don't know what she is. She is some kind of girl. Well, this is what was in our third Play-Doh. So we put her over here. Hey, what about this? Can you hold her? Yeah, you can hold her. Okay, so our little Minnie Mouse helper is going to hold our toy friend. Okay, so next we're going to start with this one. And it's very long and skinny. So it looks like it comes off very easily. And it looks like we have Hanukkah. Sonica, I don't know. Say it wrong. So, I'm going to try it out. Sissy, can I try it? Can I try it, Sissy? Okay, so that was our Hanukkah, my little sister over here. Say hello. It's going to play with it for us. So now let's go with our next one. Okay. see some of it. There's a Lego. I bet this is another Lego. Excuse me, wall. Okay.
I'm going to get my gun.
Looks like we have another Lego one. It looks like she is a princess. Looks like she is Aurora. And she is another Lego one. She is just like our rabbit over here. So we are going to set her right here. Let's do our third. Now let's do our last, but almost last one because we still have the big one. Oh, look what it is. Looks like a unicorn. A dirty unicorn too. Okay. Looks like she's a rainbow unicorn. She is a rainbow unicorn. Yeah, she's a rainbow unicorn. Her name is Rainbow Light, and she has a rainbow braid. A little braid and a little tail, like other unicorns do. This is my sister. If I would want to show you, so we are gonna put her to the side right here. And now our last and final big surprise. Hey, Savannah, move. Is our big one. Looks like you can see her ears though. You can see her ears. So open this.
Now we're going to make a big giant egg.
Oh, we have one of the little Mina Mayos from McDonald's. She is so darling cute. So now that is it for today. So I hope you have enough friend time. But before we do that, we are going to put her on.
We're gonna change one of my Ariel favorites. The pepper we got. See and Beauty Play-Doh. That's it. Ariel on Howard. I won. I'm gonna get two. Thank you. My Ariel. Happy day. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
There she is. Isn't she so cute? Isn't she so cute? She's so cute, isn't she? She is so cute. Okay, so that's it for today, and I hope you have a nice day. Toodles! Bam!